Now, so in yesterday's class, we have done till here, right? Meridians of longitude, right?
Yes, sir.
So today we will start with latitude. Okay? Ananya, start reading latitudes.
Okay, sir. In the globe, you will find several imaginary lines running parallel to the equator. They run from the east to the west. Latitude. These lines are called the parallels of latitude. They are numbered from the equator. Which start at 0 degree, it passes through Africa continent. These lines never meet one another as they are
Parallel.
As they are parallel, the equator is the largest latitude as it forms the biggest circle on the globe. The latitudes become shorter in length as they move from the equator towards the north for the South Pole. Some other important parallels of latitude are: first, the topic of Cancer, which lies at a distance of 23 to and
23.5 degree north.
23
Good morning, sir.
degree on from the equator. The tropic of
Capricorn.
Sir,
Capricorn.
Capricorn, which is similar to the tropic of Cancer, that lies at a distance of
23.5 degrees south.
2.5 degrees south from the equator toward the Arctic Circle, which lies at a distance of 66.5 degrees north from the equator. Fourth, the
Antarctic Circle.
Arctic Circle, which is similar of Arctic Circle, but lies at a distance of 66.5 south from the equator.
Okay, stop. Now, latitudes. Yes, in yesterday's class we have discussed about globe. What is the globe? Globe is the model of the earth. It is the man-made model of the earth. We again discussed that on the globe there are some imaginary lines. Horizontal and vertical imaginary lines are drawn. The horizontal lines are called parallels of latitudes, and the vertical lines are called
Meridians of
latitudes. Okay. So today, right now, Ananya has said about latitudes. See, it is very easy to understand. Just listen to me carefully. You will understand it very nicely. See what is latitude. See the diagram from here. The first line says, okay, let me draw a circle and I'll be explaining you everything. Okay, the circle is already drawn here. See, here we find that, see, latitudes are the horizontal line. Okay, this is the figure of latitudes. Okay, latitudes are the horizontal line. Okay, you can see the first figure now.
Yes, sir.
From east to west. Okay.
Yes, sir.
It is drawn
Yes,
in
sir.
this direction. See, it is drawn in this direction. Okay, east to west. Understood? In this direction.
Yes, sir.
Now see, the next line says here. Another line says that it runs from east to west, and those imaginary lines, the horizontal imaginary lines which run from east to west, is called latitude. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now, they are numbered from the equator, which starts at 0 degree. It passes through Africa continent. These lines never meet one another as they are parallel. The equator is the largest latitude as it forms the biggest circle. See, very easy to understand. All can see the drawing before, the diagram below. Now see, the first thing it has told that what are latitudes? latitudes are the line that are drawn from, are imaginary lines that are drawn from east to west. Okay, these lines are drawn from east to west. Second thing is that, and from where does it start? It starts from the equator. You can see this line, red color line here.
Yes, sir.
This is your equator. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And what is the measurement of equator? 0 degree. We consider equator as a measurement of 0 degree. Okay. And all the latitude, it starts from here, it goes upwards here and downwards this side. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And you know, these lines, these are drawn from east to west, and you cannot, you know, these lines never meet each other. See, are they meeting somewhere? Are these lines meeting somewhere? No, na?
Yes, sir.
Sir, voice is not clear.
Check your internet connection. See, these lines, are they meeting somewhere? No, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So these lines are called parallels of latitudes. They are drawn from the equator upwards and downwards, both the sides they are drawn. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir. Yes.
And whenever you move away from the equator to the north or to the south, okay, the line, you know that the length of the line, it starts to decrease. Okay, जो lines की length होती है वो already कम होने लगती हैं. Okay, it starts to decrease. Understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, now till here you have understood? So the length of the latitudes, it starts to decrease as you move away from the equator, whether from the north pole or whether from the south pole.
South pole.
Okay, now what are some important parallels of latitudes? Very easy.
Yes,
Now
sir.
see, first important is, this is the equator. Equator is also a latitude. Understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
0 degree. Okay. Then you have, another important latitude is Tropic of Cancer. Which latitude?
Yes.
Tropic of
Topic of cancer.
Cancer.
lies in the North Pole. Okay. And
Okay,
it
sir.
lies at from 23.5 degree from the equator. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Next comes the Tropic of Cancer, which lies, no, this is the equator at 0 degree. And when you move 23.5 degree this side, then you find what? First, you will find Tropic of Cancer from in the North Pole. So this is
Yes,
equator
sir.
is center.
Yes, sir.
Equator is the center. It is the longest latitude. Okay. And this side it is North Pole, and this side it is South Pole. Equator is center. See,
Yes, sir.
this is a circle. Wait, let me draw a circle. See, suppose this is a circle. Okay, this is a
Yes, sir.
circle, and suppose, see here, equator, suppose it is at center, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
At center. This side you have North Pole. Okay, and this side you have
Yes, South Pole.
when you move 23.5 degree from the North Pole. So what you will find first? You will find Tropic of
Cancer.
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 Okay? And when
Yes.
you move 23.5 degree to the south side from the equator, when you will move 23.5 degree to the south side, then what you will find? You will find Tropic of Capricorn.
Cancer.
Understood?
The Tropic of Cancer.
This is 20.5 degree from the north side, Tropic of Cancer. 23.5 degree from the south side, Tropic of Capricorn. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now again, suppose this is the equator I told you, na?
Yes, sir. Sir, what is Tropic of Cancer?
This is also a line. This is also an imaginary line which is drawn. Just like equator. These all are imaginary lines. Equator is also imaginary line. Tropic of Cancer is also imaginary line. Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn is also imaginary. All these lines are imaginary lines which are drawn on the equator. These are latitudes. Understood?
Yes,
sir.
Now see. So what I have told, when this is the equator, see, center part is your equator. When you move 23.5 degree to the north side, you find Tropic of Cancer. When you move 23.5 degree to the south side, you find Tropic of Capricorn. In the same manner, when you move 66.5 degree to the north side, you will find Arctic Circle. Understood? What you
Yes,
will
sir.
find? Arctic Circle.
Yes, sir.
And when you move
Arctic Circle.
26.5 degree to the south side, what you will find? Antarctic Circle. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Any problem?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
And see, few things you have to remember is that equator is the longest latitude. Okay, equator is the longest latitude. What is the measurement? 0 degree. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And as you move away from the equator, whether to the north side or whether to the south side, the length of latitude it starts to decrease. Okay.
Yes, sir.
In the north side at 23.5 degree from the equator, you find Tropic of Cancer. In the south side, you find Tropic of Capricorn. In the north side, when you
Capricorn.
26.5 degree north, you will find Arctic Circle. And when you go to the south side, 66.5 degree from the equator, you will find Antarctic Circle. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any problem?
No, sir.
Okay. Sure?
Yes, sir.
Now, let us move to longitudes. Who will read?
Sir, I'm ready, please.
Yes, Kavya.
Longitudes. These are the imaginary semicircle lines from North Pole to the South Pole. Longitudes are meridians.
Or
The
also
longitude-
meridians.
Meridians. Longitude drawn in the middle of the globe from north to south is called the prime meridians. Zero longitudes, it divides the earth into two parts, the western hemisphere and the eastern hemisphere. Prime meridians is the central longitudes, and all other longitudes are measured in degrees west to east of the prime meridians 0 to 180. However, the meridian 180 W coincides the meridian 180 E, and therefore we do not use V or E with the 180 meridians. Longitudes are not parallel to one another. The distance between two longitudes becomes shorter and shorter as we move away from the equator towards the poles. It is longest at the equator, but it is zero at the poles. The prime meridians is also called Greenwich meridians as it passes through Greenwich near London. The longitude of a place help you to know the local time of that place.
Okay, stop. Now see, we have studied about latitudes, right? Latitudes are,
Yes, sir.
the horizontal lines. Okay,
Yes, sir.
latitudes are the horizontal
Horizontal.
lines. Okay, this side I'm drawing latitudes. Okay, and this side I'm drawing longitudes. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
in latitudes, what we have studied? Latitudes are what?
Equator.
Latitudes are horizontal
Sir,
lines
parallels of
drawn from east to west,
meridians.
right? So,
Yes,
and
sir.
equator is the longest latitude. This
Yes,
we have
sir.
studied, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
These are imaginary
No.
lines drawn from east to west. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Not like this. From east to west. Understood? Now see,
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
equator is at center, right? So what do you
Yes,
find?
sir. Yes, sir.
Equator is the largest latitude.
Yes,
And as you move away from the equator, the distance of the latitude, the length of latitude becomes shorter. Okay. But now, see, everywhere this is the North Pole. Okay. And this is the
and South Pole.
South Pole. Okay. In longitudes also, this is what? North Pole. And this is what? South. Understood? Now,
Yes, sir.
now what are longitudes? Longitudes are imaginary semicircular lines drawn from North Pole to South Pole.
Yes, sir.
What are longitudes? What are longitudes?
Semicircular
This is
from
semicircle
pole to the south pole.
from North
It is drawn like this.
Pole.
From North Pole to South Pole.
The south.
See, I cannot draw it exact on the computer screen, but it is, you can understand, okay? It is drawn like this. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes,
Like this. Are you understanding? See,
Yes,
I
sir.
Yes,
don't
sir.
draw it that much
Yes.
properly, but it is drawn. Oh, understood?
Yes, sir.
Any problem?
yes, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
So these are semicircular lines. You know, it is drawn in a semicircle way. You can find a like this. Lines are drawn like like this. Okay,
Yes, sir.
semicircle. Understood?
Yes, sir.
These are imaginary semicircle lines drawn from it is drawn from North Pole to South Pole in this direction.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the longitudes drawn in the middle of the globe from the North Pole to South Pole is the prime meridian. And see, this is the middle longitude. Wait, let me draw it a different.
Meridians.
Prime meridian. It is called meridian. Okay. So this is the center one. Okay.
Okay, sir.
This is also drawn semicircular. Now this is what? This is the prime meridian. What it is called? Prime meridian.
That's
See,
prime meridian.
suppose in equator, the center of the latitude is equator, right? 0 degree.
Yes, sir.
So the center of the longitude is what? Prime meridian.
0 degree.
It is also 0 degree.
Yes,
Am I
Yes,
clear?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And this also divides the earth into hemisphere. This hemisphere and this hemisphere. Understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
It divides the earth into how much hemisphere? 2 hemisphere. Okay. And prime
Yes.
meridian is central longitude. Since equator is the central latitudes, in the same manner, prime meridian is the central longitude. Means it is drawn.
Sir, why is it
in
not
the center.
clear?
This imaginary line is drawn in the center. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Nanda, is my voice clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Now what happens after this? Now these lines are, prime meridian is the central latitudes, and all other longitudes are measured in degrees from degrees west or east of the prime meridian from 0 degree to 180 degree. Now see, this is the 0 degree.
Yes,
Right?
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is 0 degree. Okay?
Yes, sir.
0.
Sir.
Now, whichever longitude you have, it has different measure. 180 from this side and 180 degree from this side.
This side.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
It is measured in. This is 0 degree. Now this was measured in degrees. Okay? 180
Yes,
from
sir.
this side and 180 from this side.
Yes,
Am I clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
Okay. Now there's one more thing. The 180 degree west longitude, this is west side now. The 180
Yes,
degree
sir.
west longitude, it
Yes, sir.
coincides with 180 degree east longitude. ये दो चीज हमें मिल
Yes,
जाती
sir.
हैं. Okay? But in latitude what you will find, no lines coincide with each other. कोई lines एक दूसरे से नहीं मिलती हैं. Okay? But in longitudes what you find, the 180 degree longitude, it matches with each other, it coincides with each other. Am I clear? It joins
Yes,
with
sir.
each other. Any problem?
No, sir.
No. You know the 0 degree longitude, what it is called? It is called Greenwich meridian or prime meridian. And this line passes through London. Okay? These are imaginary lines na. So imaginary lines, if we make, so uski to exactly koi place hogi na globe par. You have
Yes, sir.
trees every time on the globe, right? So the central, जो center वाली line है Greenwich meridian, it passes through where? Which city? London city.
London.
असल में नहीं pass होती. It is an imaginary line, but it goes through London. Am I clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And for the time, you can see na, in India right now it is 11:30. But if you see in any foreign country, what is the time in foreign country? It is another time. Okay. So the time is measured by longitude only. The time at different countries, is measured through longitude only. Am I clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Any problem?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Understood this much? So whatever
Yes, sir.
time measurement, you suppose it is 11:30 in India, it is another time in US. There cannot be same time in all the places of the globe, right? In your country, it is another time. In some other country, it is another time. So how it is done? It is the longitudes are responsible for the change in time. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any problem?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So since the time is also over, this is only for today's class. What you do in homework today, you will solve the exercise at home. Okay. Something more is there.
Yes, sir.
You will solve the
The
exercise with pencil.
exercise is done.
Okay, very
Yes,
good.
sir. Exercise is done.
Okay. Those who have not done, you solve the exercise at home. We will discuss it in the next class. Okay.
Okay, sir.
The chapter will also be completed.
Okay,
You have
sir.
to solve the exercise in the next class. Okay.
Sir, question answer is also sorted.
Okay. Good.